हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम भानु प्रताप सिंह है। मैं एक सीए स्टूडेंट हूँ। आज से हम हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल द वॉइस ऑफ सोल शुरुआत कर रहे हैं। ये द वॉइस ऑफ सोल्स नाम रखने का हमारा इंटेंशन ये है कि हम अपने अंदर की आवाज़, इनर वॉइस को बाहर ला सकें और अपने फीलिंग्स जो भी हम फील करें उसको अच्छे से एक अच्छे प्लेटफॉर्म पे एक्सप्रेस कर सकें। और हम अपने चैनल पे अच्छे इंटरव्यूज़, रैप्स और अच्छे सॉन्ग्स एक्सेट्रा दिखाएंगे, सुनाएंगे। चैनल की शुरुआत अपने गुरु मिस्टर उमेश पटेल सर की ब्लेसिंग के साथ कर रहे हैं। मिस्टर उमेश पटेल सर फाउंडर हैं पटेल क्लासेस के, जो कि वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ वसई तालुका है। सर के गाइडेंस के कारण मेरे लाइफ में बहुत सारे चेंजेस आई हैं और बहुत बच्चों और मेरे लिए सर एक करियर मेंटोर और इंस्पिरेशन के रूप में हैं। तो ज़्यादा समय ना लेते हुए आइए सर से बातचीत शुरू करते हैं। Welcome everyone to the Voice of Soul. So today we have Mr. Umesh Patel, founder of a Patel Classes, जिनके बारे में मैं आप सभी को बता चुका हूँ। आज हम सर से कुछ सवाल पूछेंगे, जो मेरा अकेले का सवाल नहीं, काफ़ी लाखों बच्चों का सवाल है, जो सर से इंस्पायर्ड हुए हैं और सर से ये क्वेश्चन पूछने चाहते हैं। तो सबसे पहले तो मैं सर को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दूंगा कि सर आए और हमारी कीमती समय दिए। शुक्रिया सर।
थैंक यू
सर। सो लेट मी स्टार्ट सर। सर, माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू इज, सर क्या आपको इंस्पायर किया टू एंटर इन टीचिंग प्रोफेशन?
टीचिंग प्रोफेशन इज एक्चुअली वेरी नाइस प्रोफेशन. When I was a college going person, at that time also I realized that teacher can make the life of many students.
Right.
And that time I used to think, as far as coaching class is concerned, so I found one thing right at the beginning, that there were no coaching classes in Nalasopara. Students used to go to Bombay, they used to travel a lot, and they used to mix. It was very time consuming. So I concentrated on that, and I thought, okay, I will avoid students wasting their time in traveling. And that time I decided that I will start a coaching center in Nalasopara. That is what I mean to say. It is from Vasai to Virarbhai. I will develop such a coaching classes that students will not require to go or travel to Mumbai, and that will enable them to invest more time in their studies. I was inspired by a very big classes at that time in Mumbai, like the J.K. Shah classes, like Deepak classes.
Yes.
And it was my dream to start a very good institute such like that in Vasai to Virarbhai.
Okay.
So, taking inspiration from these big institutes, I decided I will start a coaching center in Nalasopara.
मैं बहुत अच्छा लगा कि ये क्लासेस खुला, और हम बचपन से देख के आपको देखते आए हैं, और हम यही क्लासेस में पढ़े लिखे, बहुत अच्छा लगा हमें कि आपने स्टार्ट किया।
Thank you.
सर, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि जैसे कि हर कामयाब इंसान के पीछे किसी एक शख्स का सब फॉलो करते हैं, वैसे क्या कभी आपने किसी को रोल मॉडल या इंस्पिरेशन माना है?
Yes, I was actually very much inspired by my own teachers who used to teach fantastically. Actually, I believed in teaching fantastically. Teaching means not to come and teach and just go. Teaching does not mean you come and teach the concept only. But actually, how you teach also is very important. So I was really inspired by my own teachers, like Rakesh sir at that time, to whom I used to go to, myself used to go to learn accounts and maths.
अच्छा।
And I was very inspired by some big teachers like J.K. Shah. I was very inspired by teachers like Deepak classes.
Yes.
Deepak sir.
Okay.
There were some big teachers in my college. There were some very nice teachers in my colleges too. One of my Professor Nair sir, he used to teach economics very nicely.
Okay.
So I was really inspired by the teacher who used to teach fantastically.
Okay.
Means it used to show the passion. Okay, they were having actually a passion to teach very nicely their own subjects. That really inspired me. Okay, if I will teach with passion. I will take a great interest in a subject. I will take a deep interest in a subject, and I will try to give the best result to the students as much as possible. That was a real inspiration.
सर और आप कैसे देखते हैं पेरेंट्स का रोल चाइल्ड के ड्रीम बिल्डअप करने में, उनका कैसे इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है, आप क्या देखते हैं इसमें?
is concerned, I believe in one thing, that is the parents and children. Obviously, they should have a very good bond, and there should be a very deep understanding between the parents and the children.
Right.
Parents should try to understand children more,
Yes, sir.
because children, because children will not understand their parents as parents can understand their children. The ratio can be different.
Difference.
So let your children make mistakes. Accept those mistakes. Tell them mistakes are done by everyone in this world. But there are chances. See, you have to learn from failures.
It is important.
It is not about children are making mistakes. I believe and I know okay, even parents have made mistakes in their life. So parents have to understand those things. They have to understand their children. They have to focus, make their children more focused. But they have to understand one thing, okay, in achieving success, there will be so many failures. And parents has to accept it.
Yes, sir.
And a time will come when their children will give them the great
Great.
results.
Yes, sir. सर my next question is कि कैसी challenges and difficulties आपको फेस करनी पड़ी जब आप अर्ली स्टेजेस में थे, और कैसे आप उन चैलेंजेस का सामना किए?
Now, as far as startup is concerned, as far as the beginning is concerned, see, you do anything in your life, the starting is always difficult.
Agree, totally agree.
But if we find great people, I will not say I am great, but if you find great people, everybody of them has struggled at the initial stage. Initial stage is always a struggle. Now, as far as what I believe in is to take the first step.
Right.
The first step is always a challenge. Once you take the first step, then you can just go ahead.
Go ahead.
Or you can move ahead,
Right.
no doubt. But first step is always a challenge. तो हम लोग ऐसा है ना कि हम लोग को फर्स्ट स्टेप रखना बहुत जरूरी है.
बहुत जरूरी होता है.
Now there will be so many hurdles, as I told you. Okay, in the path of success, there are so many difficulties. Life is never easy. What I believe in is, okay, whenever I never say the time is good or the time is bad, but normally what I classify time as is the time can either be good or the time can be challenging. So instead of bad,
Okay.
we can accept the time as not bad time, but we can accept the time as a challenging time. Now, whenever there are challenges in life, what I believe in is we have to face the challenge. Challenge जो रहता है ना, उनको हमेशा हमको face करना पड़ता है. If I say the time is bad, then you know I will make lots of excuses.
ये तो है.
बराबर. By making lots of excuses, we will not be able to achieve the success. But instead of taking the time as a bad time, worst time, we can do one thing. We can take the time as a challenging time. We can keep patience. We can just sit. We can think, and we can find out the way, new ways to overcome the hurdles. Because you do anything in your life. If I am in a teaching field, there are so many problems. You may be in manufacturing a garment. You may be a manufacturer, you may be a retailer, as our commerce says. There are lots of businesses. There are lots of other things. But in everything now, there are difficulties. At the time of difficulties, I have learned from my gurus. I am a firm believer of Swaminarayan Dharam. And I have learned from my gurus, at the time of difficult situation, what we can do is we can keep ourselves rational. You have to just balance your mind, keep patience. The time will either pass on, and we will definitely find some very good, fantastic way to overcome the hurdles. So keeping patience, keeping yourself rational, balancing yourself. I was able to do it. I tried my level best to do it, and God helped me. My gurus were there with me. My parents, very, very important. They also told me, they also guided me. They were also my very good mentors. My brothers, obviously my family, my wife, everybody of them supported me whenever we got some or the other hurdles in our life. We all were one. And the most important thing is, when I started an institute like PCC, I'm very lucky. I got some very good management team,
Okay.
which is still there with me, and even they were with me every time, and that enabled us to just face the problems. Today we are,
There.
yes, today we exist successfully.
सर मैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो मेरे काफ़ी फ्रेंड्स लोग बोले कि सर से पूछना है जरूर
Yes.
कि सर आप क्या सजेशन देना चाहेंगे कि जो न्यू टीचिंग प्रोफेशन में जो एंटर कर रहे हैं,
Yes.
आप उनको क्या बोलना चाहेंगे जो न्यूली एंटर कर रहे हैं?
जो टीचिंग प्रोफेशन में एंटर
हाँ सर.
Yes, the person who are entering into a teaching profession, I would like to tell them the profession is extremely very good. In this profession, the most important thing which you get, no doubt, when we enter any profession, we are actually focusing on how my earnings will be, how my career will be. So you have a fantastic career, obviously, and in this profession, additional one thing which you are going to get, which in other stream मिलता है, but उसके लिए थोड़ा अपने को बहुत स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता है. But in this stream, the thing which you can achieve very nicely is respect.
Respect. Yes.
The respect you get from your students, the respect which you get from their parents, the respect which you get from the society. So the person who are entering this field, I would like to tell them this field is obviously extremely very good, fantastic. You can make many lives. You can make your own success stories by writing many other success stories of many other students. The most important thing which you get is you can make your career as well as you get a very good respect.
Yes, agree, sir. Sir,
Yes.
Today's scenario question is, sir, in COVID-19 pandemic के कारण जो भी स्टूडेंट्स और टीचिंग मेथड्स ऑफ द टीचर्स पे क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ा, क्या चेंजेस आया उनके में,
हाँ.
आपका क्या ओपिनियन इस पे?
देखो, as I told you, this is a very very critical situation.
Yes.
Number one. But as I told you, that the time can either be good time or the time can
Challenging
be
time.
challenging time. Instead of taking this as a bad time, we can accept this as a challenge. We as a teacher, during this pandemic, we have seen so many changes, and we accept. The most important one was teaching online.
Everywhere.
We never actually witnessed teaching online teaching. Most probably, it was actually a challenge for those teachers who have taught for near about 15 years, 20 years. They have never ever actually thought कि बाबू हम लोग को कभी किसी दिन ऑनलाइन टीचिंग भी करना पड़ेगा.
Right, sir.
So online teaching was a very very big challenge for the teachers. So as I told you, the situation can either be good or challenging. This was a big challenge for the teachers. But anyhow, I found the teachers accepting the challenges, and I found that they were actually, very keen to learn something new. So all those teachers who were very keen, they really actually they applied many methods also. बहुत सारे methods, बहुत सारे techniques वो लाए और वो ना अपने आप को fit कर रहे थे new teaching method में. And this is definitely ना the pandemic will end. But whatever they have learned in this pandemic ना will remain with them throughout.
Right.
So they have learned extremely something new things. और अगर pandemic नहीं आता, अच्छा होता कि वो नहीं आता, लेकिन आया तो भी they have learned something.
Something, yes.
This is obviously definitely they are going to. This will give them advantage throughout, beneficial to them.
Okay,
It was something learning something new.
learning and sir,
Very
my
nice.
okay, yes. Sir, my question is, what message, क्या मैसेज आप देना चाहेंगे आज की यूथ को, जैसे वो जा रही है, क्या संदेश रहेगा आपका?
As far as today's youth is concerned, the intellectual level of the youngsters is far more, or we can say, because the reason is that they have huge, what I mean to say, उनके पास है ना सोचने का मीन्स उनके पास बहुत सारे सोर्सेस बहुत सारे अवेलेबल हैं. Google was not available prior.
Earlier, no.
Google is available nowadays, isn't it? So source of knowledge, taking information, advantages has increased a lot actually. So youngsters can think right, Youngsters can think creative.
क्रिएटिव,
Youngsters can think positive. Youngsters can think a lot. And with this positive attitude, creative thinking, right thinking, definitely this youngster will become a worthy citizen of our country, and they will take our country to next level. They are genius, and they will definitely do something outstanding.
ग्रेट।
Great, yes.
सर ये आखिरी सवाल है हमारा और हमारे सारे व्यूवर्स का
Yes.
कि आप जब से आपकी जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई फ्रॉम बिगनिंग टू आप जिस मुकाम पर आज पहुंच चुके हो,
Yes.
आपने कौन सी ऐसी एक चीज़ फॉलो की जो आपको सक्सेस में हेल्प की?
See, as I told you, there were so many difficulties, but the only thing which helped me is principle of working with ethics. If I have done something wrong, I have really accepted it. Yeah, Baba, I was wrong. No person in the world is like that who has never ever made any mistakes.
Right.
So we tried our level best to follow the principle of ethics. We made a mistake, but at the same time we really accepted it. Yeah, Baba, this is our mistake, and the next time we are not going to repeat the mistake
Right.
again. That is what my principle of life is all about.
Okay.
Follow the principle of ethics, follow what is right. There will be the time where you are going to make a mistake, but then when you made a mistake, when you do something wrong, accept it and see that okay, next time you won't do it.
ओके
That is what we keep our life very simple.
ओके सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच कि आपने अपना इतना टाइम बहुमूल्य समय दिया हमें, ये हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा। अभी हम आज से हमारी जर्नी शुरुआत हो रही है ये
अच्छा।
और आप स्पेशल गेस्ट आप आए हमारे बुलाने पे, बहुत अच्छा हमें गर्व फील हो रहा है।
Thank you very much. Thank you, Balu Pratap. I am proud of you. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, Voice of Soul.